Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. BlueJ0P. Enjoy the video. I'm not sure exactly what this fella is yet, but let me post it to my accounts and stuff and sort through it. And maybe there'll be a name right around here. But aside from that, I think it's in the P family. Let's say we'll see. Holy hell. I was tempted to climb around this pond, this bowl, and hike around it, but coming back to it and seeing how big it is, Lord have mercy, that's gonna kill me. I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna climb around this. This is what I'm climbing around, y'all. There's a trail for it back that way. When I get done, I'll be coming off around that way. Yes, sir. It's a lot to walk. I'm gonna do it. Look for mushrooms along the way, because I'm a fun guy for life. Like, it sure is beautiful. I'm just overwhelmed by the thought of all that climbing over there. Because I got to get up around that. But we'll be alright. Yeah, we will. I'm starting to go uphill, everybody. That trail's starting to go up. Let's do it. Let's see how this goes. I haven't really been able to find any mushrooms yet. Last time I went up through here, I found dead man's fingers, and I found the bitter oyster mushroom. Edible, but not tasty, if you can imagine from the name bitter. But I'm gonna keep my eye out for any mushrooms and let you know what we find. Aside from that, I'm gonna keep on trucking. I'm actually not even sure what these mushrooms are. I need to figure out, if I can figure out what they are, I need to figure out what they are. So let me show you guys what I'm dealing with here. I can't tell. I'm sure it's microporous. I can't tell though. I think it is microporous. Let me get down here. Either way, I think that is enough for these specimens. I'm gonna move on my way. Only a few feet away and I find these. I don't know what they are, but there's something. This is only like halfway through it. Alright, everybody. I'm gonna move. I'm really scared of heights, apparently, so I'm not gonna ruminate on it, but yeah, that's where I was. So I'm gonna keep going now, guys. Slowly and carefully. Alright, alright. Let's check out this find, everybody. Let's do it together. White gills. Huh, that stem is fat. Looks like white gills. But you can see what I mean by the stem's fat. It's like, it's curvy. It's curvy swervy, baby. Must be an insect or something. Eating it. I don't know why. It's dark where it is. Unless that is spores. And the gills have been removed because something made it. I don't know what that is. It's hard to tell. Alright, I'm gonna move on from here. Now I'm back where I started. Oh man. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was gonna be. But man, I didn't think that was gonna require as much mental focus as I had to do. Holy, look, hold up. We're about to be at a spot where we can see it real good. But yeah, I just climbed around that whole thing. I don't know, maybe an hour. Check it. There's a sign here. But yeah, I just climbed around that whole thing, man. That whole thing. Oh, I'm exhausted. That required a lot of focus, and now I'm ready to chill. Peace out, Girl Scout. And remember, fun guys for life. Peace.